fellow makeup enthusiasts, welcome back to Makeup Use Disorder. Not an official DSM diagnosis, but it should be. Obviously, I am back in the car today. All of the doors in my house, all of the flood damage doors in my house are being replaced today, so it's really loud in my house. It's really hot in my house. And I was about halfway finished with my makeup when I had to GTFO, so you will excuse my skin because I haven't been able to do any foundation or any powder or anything like that. My lipstick is probably uneven, but I was able to finish my eyes. And I did use these. And so this may not be a full review, but this is going to be a first impression so far. I love it. If I had time to really clean this up, it would be so much fun. I'm just kicking myself in the keister for waiting so long to pull the trigger and order these because I'm already in love. I was able to do some swatching. I did color very sloppily on my tattoo. These are so fun to play with. And I'm going to insert a picture because that comes out a little bit better. And here's what they look like in the box. I'm so happy to finally be holding these in my hands. So we have happy mood, likable mood, daring mood, cool mood, and calm mood. So we have yellow, orange, purple, blue, and green. I'm not even sure if this is showing up because I cannot see the monitor. Even when I look at it like I'm not supposed to. I think I've gotten better at that. The way the light is shining in my eyes right now, I can't see it. But when I look at this makeup in the mirror, granted, it's not super precise. I didn't have time to clean it up, but I really like it. I have the likable mood, the orange in my waterline and under the eye a little bit. I think it really brightens up the eye. I love it. I did the wing with the green, the calm mood, and the blue, the cool mood, and the purple, the daring mood. And so I feel like it kind of gives a mermaid effect. Again, it's not super clean. It would be better if I actually had time to fix it. But hopefully you can get an idea of what the colors look like. And I put a little bit of the happy mood, the yellow, in the inner corner. And I feel like that is also very brightening. Oh, and ignore the circles under my eyes. I didn't get much sleep last night and I didn't have time to conceal, so I'm just choosing to ignore it. I hope you will do the same. So I find the crayons to be easier to work with than eyeshadow, and I foresee myself using nothing but these as my eye makeup for at least a week. They're very buttery, they go on beautifully, they don't skip. So far they haven't smudged. Of course, I haven't had them on for very long, so this is why this is just kind of a first impression. A glorious first impression for me, but a first impression nonetheless. And as you know, if you have looked into these at all, you can use these anywhere on the face. You can use them on your lips, you can use them to draw on your skin, or you can use them as eyeliner. I mostly see myself using them probably as eyeliner. I doubt I'll use them for much else, but let's draw a little bit just for fun. I'm gonna have to use the other mirror because I can't see in the monitor. So if you are a more skilled artist, you might be able to use this to paint your face if you were going to a festival. Ooh, let's throw in a Doctor Who reference. And here we go. Here's something else that you can do with them. Comment down below if you get this reference because I will love you forever if you get this reference. And speaking of Doctor Who, I know that I owe you guys a cosplay video, so let me pop in a couple of pictures of some casual Amy Pond cosplay that I've done in the past. And I should warn you before I upload that video that I am not a person who can really make a costume from scratch. I'm not a great seamstress. I did make 2 costumes completely from scratch, with the exception of wigs and hair pieces and shoes and all of that. So what else can I say about the Linda Hallberg mood crayons? I can say that I almost just started out with one. I was really wanting to get the likable mood, the orange, because I thought it would be pretty in the waterline. It is, in my opinion. I like it a lot. But this whole set is $45. It's $10 shipping, so it comes out to $55. But the other eyeliners that I was thinking about buying, as you know, I really like my colored eyeliner. I was thinking about getting a Makeup Forever eyeliner or another Urban Decay eyeliner. You're looking at around $20. But with this, if you factor in shipping, you get 5 eyeliners for $55. So that's $11 per pencil. And these are great pencils. Fantastic. I can also tell you guys that I ordered this on Saturday and it came in Wednesday afternoon. So that's pretty good. And that does wrap it up for my first impression of the Linda Hallberg Mood Crayons. I have absolutely nothing bad to say about these at all. I love them. As always, I will update you once I've had a little bit more time to play with these, and I actually have a video in the works where I'm going to go back and revisit everything that I've talked about in the past month. I do still have my singles cruise video in the works. I have decided that I'm just going to spread out all of my single shadows, bring my cat into the room, and choose whichever ones he sniffs. I don't know when I'm going to be able to get that up because I don't know when I'm going to have any space at all in the house to film. Because right now there is absolutely nowhere, not even a tiny little corner in my house where I can actually set up and film. As always, shout out to you if you're watching this video on the toilet. Go ahead and throw me a pity like, give me some encouragement to make some more videos. Follow me on Instagram, I will follow you back. And until next time, stay adorably obsessed with makeup.